Welcome to Tella Friend. And today we're doing science, and it's what we're doing for science is called a larva lamp. So let's enjoy. Just make yourself comfortable.
But this is not the right thing, so we don't know if it'll work.
But only one way to find out. We try. It might work, it might not. Let's do this.
I think it'll work.
Step
one is to put all the oil inside.
Step 2, pour the water inside.
All of it, right, Mommy?
Of course, all of it. You can see that the oil and water are separated. I love science. Do you? To mix red and blue.
That makes purple.
Yeah, maybe it'll turn out purple.
Purple's just. First do a little bit. Squeeze.
There.
Okay.
8.
1, 2,
Red works really
3,
4. Hey. 4.
4,
Squeeze it.
5,
4, 5,
6, 7, 8.
Okay, that's a lot. I know if it'll work, but we're gonna put emergency powder in.
Do it?
All of it? Wow.
Yeah, all of it. Wait, I didn't do all of it. Oh, we should mix.
Wow.
Oh, I think it's working.
Yes, look. I feel like it is working.
Yeah.
Look what we made.
No.
Emergency powder.
Wow. Well, there's more oil. I think this is green oil.
Purple. It did turn out purple.
Wow. Look here. The wine cup?
Well, on the bottom here, it kind of looks like bats, but except they're bubbles.
Wow, it looks so cool.
I wish this could stay forever.
From
there, it looks
Look
more
at this
real.
one. Look at this one. Wow.
I love how it smells. It smells like orange juice.
Really? Oh, yeah, it does. It's probably because we poured this.
So pretty. Yeah, stop touching it.
Mommy, if we touch the inside, what happens?
Feels just water. Nothing special about it.
Oh, if we mix it with our fingers, what happens?
Feel the bubbles.
It doesn't even get on our hands. It's all oily.
And for me, just water, but
And
kind of
if you
oily water.
It smells like tangerine oil.
No, for me, it smells like orange. Science is amazing, and it's one of my favorite things
Me
doing
too.
in the whole world. And don't
Forget
forget to
to
subscribe to Tella Friend.
Bye.